Qingdao SOSN Machinery Co., Ltd. is a professional manufacturer of woodworking machinery and have been in this production line for more than 20 years. At start, we are only a small workshop with 5 workers to produce sliding panel saw machine. Our boss, Mr. Jan, he is an expert in woodworking machine, like to study machine, put quality and service on first, our factory get developed well step by step. 2000 year, we got ISO approved and start to export. 2003 year, we moved to new factory, and we have 25 workers. At same time, our woodworking machines got approved by domestic market. We have 30 panel saw agents until 2005 year. Also, we pay much attention to export market. In 2012, we got CE certificate. On January 2013, we moved to our new and bigger factory. 2015, we have our joint venture, Holzer Company for computer beam saw and edge banding production. 2020, we move our edge banding machine workshop to Guangzhou for mass production to improve production capacity. In these years, we attend professional woodworking machinery exhibitions, Germany Ligna, America, Vietnam, Russia, India, Malaysia, Indonesia, South America, Guangzhou, Shanghai, Beijing, etc. Thanks for customer support. During these years, our production lines are more and more sliding panel saw, computer beam saw, computer numerical control door cutting machine, edge banding machine, computer numerical control router, sanding machine, brush polishing machine, etc. As a responsible manufacturer, we know you choose our machine based on trust. Trust is the most valuable gift in business world. We have to do trusted quality machine and service for our every customer by our boss, Mr. Jan. This is what he often told his every workers. We are better and better. We will keep trying our best to provide good quality machine with trusted service. Welcome your joining and visiting our factory. This is computer numerical control router. Automatic loading and unloading of various panel furniture optional. Slotting, drilling, cutting, milling, hollowing, engraving, automatic tool change. With 9Q automatic tool change spindle. The maximum speed is 24,000 RPM. The heavy-duty frame is formed by robot welding. Natural aging, annealing, ensure accuracy and stability. This is edge banding machine, suitable for panel furniture, customized furniture, cabinet, wardrobe, office furniture, solid wood furniture, tables and chairs, doors and windows, decoration industry, etc. This is automatic curve edge banding machine. Special shaped edge banding, finishing seamless interface. It can be used for straight or curved edge banding of plate, workpieces and panel furniture production. Achieve results a high degree of automation, high efficiency, high precision and high aesthetics. This is computer numerical control panel saw. Work for all kinds of MDF boards, chipboard, wood-based panels, ABS panels, PVC panels, organic glass, solid wood, etc. Sliding table with chrome-plated round rod structure, high accuracy, efficient and versatile. This is brush sanding machine. We offer brush sanding machines for different sanding demands, like flat surface sanding, irregular curved surface sanding, molding profile sanding, groove sanding, solid wood sanding work, etc. This is planer sanding machine. Wood planer sanding machine is a wide belt sander, which is combined with the spiral planer cutter to process hardwood, bamboo and other materials. It can plane several irregular pieces of wood so that their thickness is uniform. The machine can also be used for planing and sanding of solid wood panels, composite floors, panel furniture, artificial stones, handicrafts and wood plastic products. For many factories with low investment costs, it can effectively improve the capacity of the factory and reduce production costs. Easy to operate, save labor. This is computer numerical control beam saw. Electronic cutting saws are suitable for household factories and electrical appliances that perform standardized, large volume processing. Precision cutting of boards such as factories, clothing factories, toy factories, hardware factories, etc., such as artificial boards, aluminum board, organic glass, MDF, density board, particle board, ABS board, PVC board, solid wood, etc., heavy-duty annealing frame, high precision. This is computer numerical control for sides door cutting machine. It is an intelligent doors cutting equipment, simple operation, safety, high efficiency, high precision, no burrs. The efficiency of cutting doors is 3 times panel saw. It can be applied for plywood, wooden doors, laminated panels, particle boards, etc., and can be customized according to client's need. This is 6 sides computer numerical control boring machine. This machine adopts full data processing mode and optimizes the processing with customer software data so that its parts can be processed normally on the equipment. The machine adopts the scanning barcode processing mode, which does not need manual calculation and works according to the diagram. It is easy to operate, stable, high efficiency, safe, high precision and long service life. We have more excellent products. Welcome to consult us.